Your most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Hi, everybody. Welcome aboard. It is great to be with you here on this Wednesday, midway through the week, and we're dealing with a few rain showers now. And listen, any bit of rain is a good thing at this point. This is Elizabethtown, 61 degrees. It's mild in spots because of the clouds and the rain, but the dew points are low, and that's why we don't anticipate a lot of rain. It's still overall a very dry air mass and a dry pattern. Yesterday we hit 76. We're still running below normal for really the week, essentially. I know we were very warm on Sunday, but yesterday several degrees below the normal of 82 and no rain. So now the deficit officially back over 5 inches again, which is why it'll be nice to at least get some rain. And I only think for some areas today it's going to be about 1/10 of an inch. I mean, this is very light stuff on the radar. Light returns. It's kind of drizzling out. There's some heavier showers off to the west, but you'll notice how they kind of hit the ridge tops and then weaken before pushing east. So some really solid rain right now over Pittsburgh and up into northwestern parts of the state, but I think this weakens a bit as it pushes to the east. Not to say we can't get a heavier shower here and there. There may even be a rumble of thunder again early this afternoon in spots, but on the whole, this is not going to be anywhere near what we saw on Monday. 60 in Chambersburg, 58 in York, but most places are, at the official sites anyway, in the 60s this morning. And that, of course, is warmer than yesterday when we had that really cool and dry air setting up after Monday's rain. I mean, we're 6-7 degrees warmer in spots this morning than we were yesterday. So it's a little bit more on the muggy side. Dew points, though, haven't really changed. Dew points are in the 50s. So this is another reason why we don't expect today to be quite as amped up, quite as juiced. You need low-level moisture in order to get some significant rain, and we don't have that right now. There's not a lot of low-level moisture in place. Remember, this is an upper-level low, and at the surface, dew points are still low. So this is going to weaken the rain shaft as it comes in from Pittsburgh. It's going to weaken a little bit over the mountains before it pushes to the east. However, there will be some showers at least through lunchtime today, scattered about. It's going to be breezy and gusty as this low kind of lifts up into the north, and more showers are on the way. Not tomorrow. We'll get another break in between shower activity, but Friday actually looks like there's a decent chance to see a little bit of rain. So if you're headed out today for an evening bike ride, maybe an evening hike, you can get out. I think late in the day we start to clear out. So 5, 6, 7 p.m., things look pretty good. Partly cloudy skies giving way to even mostly sunny skies. It is going to be cooler today. Temperatures, though, in the low 70s with the clouds and the early rainfall. And you can see this whole rain area, this rain shaft weakening as it pushes into our neck of the woods by mid-morning, 9, 10 o'clock, just a few leftover showers. And then what does the rest of the day bring? Maybe a brief downpour or a thunderstorm early this afternoon, but on the whole, we really try to clear out by late in the day, and that's why I think the evening looks nice. Tomorrow does look pretty good. It's going to start mostly sunny, a few fair weather cumulus clouds popping up in the afternoon for partly cloudy skies, and then Friday, we get a little bit juiced with some showers and thunderstorms back in the forecast here scattered about into the afternoon. So I do think Friday will be another chance of rain now, as I said at the beginning of the week, kind of every other day. But you'll notice the numbers are not that impressive today. Less than 1/10 of an inch in spots, perhaps up to 1/4 of an inch if you get lucky today with a few of those showers. We'll take it, but like Monday, even with all the rain we had Monday, it's not going to be enough to really help the drought. Notice it does turn quite gusty later today. Winds between 10 and 20 miles an hour, and then the breeze backs off a bit heading into the day tomorrow. I think tomorrow is going to be a really nice day again, and we warm up. Temperatures getting back into the 80s. So the extended outlook, too, we talked about perhaps a rainy period setting up next week after a dry weekend, but a lot of the moisture looks like it is going to stay to our south. That doesn't mean we can't get clipped a few days next week as we look ahead. This is all the way into next Friday, but a significant chunk of that moisture looks to stay over Virginia and the Carolinas next week. If we miss out, we're only going to add to the drought concerns locally. So 74 degrees today, scattered showers. We'll take it. It's not going to be a lot of rain. Breezy today, downright gusty at times. Clearing out tonight, staying a bit breezy at 58. Tomorrow looks decent, partly cloudy, warmer, 81. Scattered showers and storms return Friday, so we can hope for some more rain at 78. The weekend looking dry right now, and then next week we're going to keep the clouds around. I'm not going to go too bullish on that rain. I don't want to overpromise, especially when a lot of it may stay to our south. We'll keep you posted.
Yes, Brett, and I've noticed a lot of times when people forecast this rain, meteorologists forecast this rain, it ends up in different places, harder than others.
It's very hit or miss. That's always been the case in the summertime, and clearly Monday happened. So today, we'll keep our fingers crossed that some of the areas that got missed on Monday can get hit.
Yes, all right, we will pray for that grass.
Yes,
Time
indeed.
for this morning's social sip. About